getting straight into it. Rory is the man of the hour. The S6 is getting a new front end. We already did some headlight smokage with some PPF, but the big project of the day is getting this Quattro grill on. I believe he got this one from German Car Accessories, which is the same one I got mine from, same one Evan got his from. Not paid to shout them out, but they're pretty quality stuff. I don't know if I would use the word quality, but it's the go-to for grills that look like this. In my opinion and experience, it's been the best so far. The one gripe I have, every single grill they sell the up-badged version of. So we have this RS6 badge that's just chilling. So I put it on Evan's car. But the S6 is getting some upgrades. Look at those baby little stock turbos. The biggest reason we're upgrading here is because this is coming off. We want to just make sure it looks clean. With the headlights, I think it's going to tie together this front end really nicely. Gotta get some RS7 turbos and injectors. Achtung! Achtung! I did take 3 years of German.
Doesn't show.
Remembered about none of it. So for the front end of all Audis, pretty much, we got to drop the bumper off the car. We got to tell the people what we're doing, Rory. What do we got? We got some T25s.
Some T9s.
T9s. Ooh. Oh, we're getting all kinds of content. Is that gonna go on the Instagram?
Oh.
Shout out M22 Detailing on the Instagram. Rory's getting dirty.
Once we have our fancy new lift, this will be a breeze.
Facts. When's that lift coming? We got a lift in the mail.
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Ooh, nice. It was hilarious. The people were like, yeah, we just gotta, what'd they say? They were like, yeah, we can get it to you. We just need you to take it off with the forklift.
We need a high-low to
or a
get
high-low.
out of the semi-truck.
7 burly men, does that work? And she said no.
She said absolutely not.
52-inch high semi.
She said go after yourself.
So Tractor Supply Co's gonna unload it for us and drive it over with their high-low.
Perfect. Rory's so good at installing, he can put it back together with 4 less screws than what the engineers did. This is our friend Jay's, but it's still Audi related. It's like a fun install. And if you guys find it helpful or find it fun, I don't know, subscribe, stick around, help the algorithm with a quick thumbs up. We got Carson ripping. This car's also getting a Ceramic Pro silver package, 5-year ceramic coating, so.
7 bolts underneath there, all T20s, those all have to come off.
Okay.
And then there's gonna be 2 bolts on the inside holding it right here as well. So you gotta remove part of the mud flap. Got 2 bolts for that.
That's what we call Carson. You can't hear me, he's got his AirPods in. Look at that. That is a look. Carson, you look like a fighter pilot. There's just a lot going on. We gotta clean the shop.
There's 2.
One thing about having the nice lighting in this shop and the floors just being so clean all the time, when it gets dirty, it just looks disgusting.
Even though it's cleaner than 99.9% of shops that exist, like our dirty is a different level of dirty than other people's dirty.
Right. We have a client picking up this Bronco today, the Sam Squamch. What time's he coming?
5.
Okay, perfect. All right, we're gonna get an update with Rory once we get this bumper off. Do you like your grills with or without the crust?
I like crust.
Kevin, cold start on this S6.
Ooh. One thing I miss about the old keys, it actually says S6, or mine just says S. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? New key fob or old key fob? Let's get a little stock cold start. This thing's quiet. What do you think about the cockpit?
Well, I just put it from dynamic into comfort and it changed the suspension. It's kind of cool.
All right, turn this thing off. The doors are closed. We're gonna die. Ooh. Ooh. We've somehow went from the S6 project to the S5 bumper. We are not clear yet.
We are so close.
I think this one's the night vision. I'm trying really hard, but I gotta film with one hand, so that's pretty important.
Got it.
Hey! All right, we're free. We are clear. That's a good looking crash bar. Actually, we have to black it out.
We gotta paint it, we gotta wrap it.
We gotta do...
I'm not wrapping a crash bar.
No, this is super easy. It is super straightforward. The YouTube won't even pick up your subtitles. We're having a heated debate painting versus wrapping versus painting then wrapping versus wrapping 2 layers. So one thing that's different about these S6 bumpers is you have this, I think this is the night vision guy right here. That means we gotta install this little bit, and that's why that looks like that. So I guess I'll do that because I know how to do that, and Rory knows how to do literally everything else for this project. So I wanna make myself at least feel semi-useful. So that crash bar wrap, we're gonna call good enough. How's the grill process coming? Haven't updated with you guys in about 47 minutes. What does it look like?
I'll send you those, don't worry.
We should just keep the bumper off. It looks crazy. It's like a Huracan bumper delete. You know, it's twin turbo. S6 bumper delete. What's that mean, Carson? I don't know. Finally getting an idea of what this thing's gonna look like too. The front. Evan's A6 when it was silver had the same exact one. I always thought it looked sweet, so I'm happy he's doing this.
Yeah, I had the same setup at one point.
Evan's on the phone, so I gotta whisper. But look at how crazy this looks. It looks nuts. Evan's Hey. You can't say that. I'm gonna bleep that out, and people are gonna have to guess what you said. Kevin's in the fan club. Don't say things like that. Dang, that looks good. She looks good. Rory, you wanna close that hood for me so we can see a final product? Nice. All right, Rory, get down there and get a good thumbnail for us. I want you down like laying on the ground like a hockey goalie in a team photo.
So one leg this way, one up.
Yeah, that'd be perfect.
I like that.
With your legs spread wide open.
Yeah, they're always put the pad right here too.
You can do whatever you want. You know what, Rory? How about a good
Car back together.
big smile? You know what? Perfect. Cha-ching. That's the money shot. Under these Instagram lights, whew, boys, she's looking mighty fine.
It's like nuts.
Yeah. Yo, let's get some cinematic shots of Scrubber. Ladies and gents, how about we live a fat life for Rory getting dirty and making this thing look clean. Fun little video. If you guys enjoy, hit like, subscribe. Till next time, we'll see ya.